Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm following up on my previous video where I did a one and done eyeshadow for hooded eyes using only a matte shadow. Well, today I wanted to talk about the importance of shimmer. So I currently have only a matte eyeshadow look using a one and done. I'm going to add shimmer to that to show you how dramatically it can change your eyeshadow look just by adding a little bit of shimmer in all the right places. Before showing the shadows, I just wanted to mention these are both shimmery shadows. They're not glittery shadows. Those can be quite different, create very different looks. If I'm looking for something more glamorous, evening, dramatic, smoky eye, I might go with also having something quite glittery on my inner eye or on my mobile lid. But for a softer glam look and a more daytime look, I reach for shimmers. And the shimmers can make a tremendous amount of difference to your eyeshadow look. I'd like to show you my two favorite shimmers. I reach for them all the time to just add that extra pop to my eyeshadow look. These two shadows here from MAC, I have gone through many pans of these. These are by far my favorite shimmer shadows. One's lighter, one's darker. The lighter one I use on the inner portion of my lid, and also I pat it right here by my tear ducts just to give that extra pop to my eyeshadow look. And that is here Naked Lunch, which is just a beautiful peachy, pinky champagne shadow with the perfect amount of shimmer. It is my top shadow to use. It goes with any eyeshadow look I have. It seems to just blend seamlessly. This one here, another favorite. I do not use this one for the inner part of my lid. I reserve that to lighter shadows. But I use this in the center of my mobile lid. It catches the light beautifully, blends perfectly with this Naked Lunch, and this here is Woodwinked. It's a brown, sort of golden undertone shimmer, and again, not a glittery shadow, very shimmery, catches the light beautifully, and blends with almost all of my eyeshadow looks. If I'm creating something in plums or pinks, whether I'm using coppers or browns, this Woodwinked always adds just the perfect pop to my center mobile lid. Let's go ahead and I will show you how I use these shadows just to lighten up an existing matte shadow look. I'll go in with the Woodwink with my finger and just dab it on the center of my mobile lid. That's the color there, it's gorgeous. Usually that's enough, but I'll just go ahead and pat a little extra on top. Next, I'll go in with my lighter shadow for the inner part of my eye and just to pop on the tear duct area. I'll be using a small shadow brush for this. I find my finger is just too large. I can't place it quite the way I want to. So this again is a MAC brush. The number on it has chipped off over time, so I'm not exactly sure what it is. But any small eyeshadow brush like this will work great. So that's it. That's the final look with just adding a little bit of shimmer. Love it. If you're in a pinch and you just want to get out of the house, the one and dones are great. And again, with my video, using hooded eyes will always be a matte one and done shadow. But you come in, you want to go out later on in the afternoon, you want to add a little bit of soft glam, just go ahead, add your shimmers, and you're good to go. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.